everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aradhya Gaikwad. Today's topic is Unity in Diversity. Unity in Diversity means oneness in the varieties. India is a country where it is very clear to see unity in diversity because people of many religions, race, cultures and traditions live together. I am representing the state Jammu and Kashmir, which is also called Paradise on Earth. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in summer and Jammu is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in winter. Kashmiri is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. Goshtaba is the traditional food of Jammu and Kashmir. Heran is the traditional outfit for both males and females. Festivals of Jammu and Kashmir are Bahu Mela, Jiri Mela and Purmandal Mela. Rope dance is the most famous and traditional and folk dance. Shukriya.